to another Tuesday Clean with me, and today we're gonna go ahead and clean our fridge. We're gonna clean everything we have in our fridge, organize, get everything that doesn't belong here into the trash can. And also we're gonna end up doing our pantry, which is a mess, and also throw things that they don't belong there. So we're gonna clean this messy area that we have there and throw it to the trash, whatever doesn't belong in there and it's too old already. We're gonna throw it to the trash can and have this little girl make a mess. What happened? Who did this, Emilia? Who did this? You're supposed to write in here. Oh my. So yes, she's given more work to do. Oh my god, just cleaning everywhere. So let's get started with our fridge first. Clean it, organize it, throw everything that it doesn't belong in here. So this is how it looks right now. Very messy and I have it. And this is the side from the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and clean all of this, make it nice and pretty, and organize it. I found a trick. If you put any like tortilla chips that you wanted to last longer than a week, put them inside the fridge, and for me, yes, they're good after a week. So that's my tip for you guys.
See him in school, and now he walked up right to me, and my knees got weak and I just had to leave. It was weird, I'm so shy. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination, and it's really me. I'm a girl in love. Yeah, it did happen to me into a wreck. It got me thinking, but I found a resolution. She's so in love, she really is. Will I get any chance to see him? That's when I saw him standing next to me in class. I ain't ready and my heart is beating fast. She's so in love, she really is. Something happened, I couldn't speak a word. Now he said hi, what to do?
done with my fridge, so now I'm moving myself into the pantry, and we have to clean this area, organize it, throw whatever is not working anymore to the trash. So we're gonna start with the top portion first, and then we're gonna continue in the bottom and clean it and continue. So let's get started.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way.
Okay, so everything is out of the pantry. I have everything on the table right now, and what I have to do is scrub the part of the pantry to make it nice and clean and non-sticky, that area. So yep, that's where it's our next step.
Get away, another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello.
So I have up here the cereals, oatmeal, bread, anything that has to do like cooking, pancake mixer. In the second drawer here, it's oils and different types of oils and honey, anything that has to do with kitchen, and a lot more. And here I put the teas, bags, and coffee and milk, or anything that is for your ingredients. And down here we have the baking stuff. Anything to have to do with baking, I put it under here. Even our M&Ms, because I use M&Ms to put on top of cupcakes. Anything that has to do, I always put them on top. Bunny kit that I wanted to do with the girls. This part I have our cups of 6 legs, our little shake for the girls, and bread, and of course chips. And I hope this will last clean, hopefully, for the next 2 weeks. If not, then we have to redo this again. And I have bags in here, and this is the last portion of the closet, which is I have here to make your own eyes, shape your own eyes, and I have lotions back here in Biohazard. You have to dump anything hazard, you dump it into there. And obviously you need your cotton candy or grape for your eye shaper and trash bag. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this pantry will stay clean for at least 2 weeks, because you guys know how it is when the family you have, it gets dirty really fast.
Just to get what I need, coming at your heart, you will see what I mean.